Michelle here from Straw-Bearie, and today I'm going to show you my favorite way to get freebies for Operation Christmas Child shoeboxes or for my classroom treasure box. Let's go. I am at the TCEA, Texas Computer Educator Association Convention Conference in San Antonio, Texas. And this is a huge thing, and they have vendors who come and give away stuff for free. Now, before you say anything, I only take like one from each place, which is what they want. And they don't really expect me to play with the stress ball myself or to use the bag myself all the time. They know that we're going to give them away to other people. Probably going to be too loud in here for me to keep talking to you. Let me show you how big this place is and all the vendor booths.
Yeah, we're good. Claudia wants us to talk about that.
I don't know. Kind of looking a little small today.
Level, school level, all the way up to a district level pricing. I got a whole bunch of returns.
See if there's something that...
That was leading to a lot of failure.
Hi!
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. What do we got?
A drawstring bag.
Ooh, fancy.
Fancy?
Here you are.
Thank you.
You just have back. There we go.
Thank you.
Welcome. Would you like a hat as well?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
What'd you win, Miss Michelle?
What
Shirt.
Oh, you can open
What is
it
it?
up.
Oh, it's a shirt? Oh,
Yeah, it's a
okay.
shirt.
You open it up. Oh, okay. Yay!
What size?
Medium.
Medium. Yes, ma'am. Here you
Thank you. I've just gone down 7 rows and I already have a ton of swag and I've got a lot more left to go. It's got a bag of popcorn. Can't really send that in a shoebox, so I guess I'll eat it. I am back at the hotel and I wanted to share with you some of the things that I got. This bag is completely full and so heavy. I was having a hard time carrying it back to my hotel. I got a sun visor type of hat. I got this hat, which is actually a Nike hat that they were giving away for free. And before any of you comment, I usually asked, or they were happy to give me the stuff, or sometimes they would scan my badge so that they could send me emails about their company. And I know that if I go on the last day, they'll be like, take whatever you want, because they don't want to have to carry it back home with them. I don't feel bad about it at all. I have tons of bags. So here's a bag. Here's a bag. Can't even get them all out. Here's a bag. Ooh, this one's cool. This is a fanny pack. It has lights on it. Isn't that cool? Okay. And a pair of socks. That I had to do a little contest game and I won the pair of socks. Let's see. Let's put these all in categories down here so I can show you when I'm done. Here's a bag. 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 Ooh, this bag looks like it has a little pocket so you can make it small. I can't even get to all of them. Here's a bag. Here's a bag. Here's a backpack, sling backpack. I'm gonna save that one for a second. Okay, there's a bunch inside this bag. Here's a bag. Here's a string backpack. And here's a bag. So lots of bags. And then there's this bag, which I was planning to use, but it looks like it has ripped a little bit, so I won't be sending it. But it's my bag to hold all my bags. Now, let's see. Oh, this one is a clear backpack, and inside of it, there is a pencil pouch, and inside of that is a pencil and a pen, and a pencil sharpener. And then also in this bag, this backpack, there is a composition book and a pocket that looks like a calculator. Brochures. Won't be sending those. All right, so let's move on to notepads. This is a cool little paper pad, a little book, and it has post-it notes on the back. Here's a pad of paper. Here's a lined booklet of paper. Here are some post-it notes. And honestly, I didn't stop at every table, and I didn't grab everything at every table. I usually grabbed one thing at each table because I didn't want to be selfish. Here's another little pad of paper, and it's got a cute little cover. It's plastic. Those are brochures. Let's see. This is posters, and it's keyboarding, typing posters, so I'll probably just keep that for my classroom. T-shirts. So if I picked up a t-shirt, I picked it up in either a small or a medium so that I could pack it. Here's a t-shirt. Here's a t-shirt. This one just says quizzes. Have your kids use quizzes to take tests on the computer? Some of them you like played a game, like you spun a wheel and they would give you a t-shirt. Here's a t-shirt. Okay, another hat. A nice big plastic ruler with inches and centimeters. Brochure. Notepad. A cup. There were a lot of booths that had cups. I didn't get that many of the cups because I got a bunch of cups from Walmart on sale. I got a Pop-It, a stress ball, a stress ball, a stress ball, a stress ball, a stress cloud, a stress astronaut. Isn't that cute? A stress ball. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, no, it's in here. A stress school bus. Another Pop-It. A coaster. I may not send that in my shoebox. Another notepad. Another notepad. Sunglasses. Blue light glasses. I may not send this in my shoebox. I may leave this as a treasure box thing for my students at school. These blue lights. Some lanyards. Oh, this is cute. It's a mustache pen. And while we're talking cute pens, look at this pencil. Isn't that adorable? So the reason why I was at a tech conference is it's for social emotional learning, so that you can stroke it and you will feel nice and safe and secure. And what better thing to do than have something like that for our shoeboxes? I think I might copy this and make some of these pencils myself. This is a highlighter, multicolors. So this is for your cords, so probably won't send that. More post-it notes. Pens, and some of the pens are styluses, highlighter, more pens, pencils, More sunglasses. More pens. More pens. More pens. A rubber ducky. Got a couple of bracelets. Another pair of sunglasses. Some wires, probably for my classroom. This pen is cute. Can y'all see that? It's got a little face on it. Pen. I got a couple of packs of crayons, deck of cards, chicken that pecks, a yo-yo. This looks like a pretty nice yo-yo actually. A spinner.
There we go. Here we go. All right. You get a pen or a spinner?
Ah, spinner. Thank
Everybody
you.
wants a spinner.
More pens. Lots of stickers, and some of the stickers I will use at school and I'll put on the back of my computer or on my cups. Some I will send, some I will give to my students. Just depending, but a whole bunch of stickers. This is a stress foam phone. So when you get mad at your phone, you can throw this instead of your real phone and break it. Here's another ball. That's about it. That's my haul. Let's go ahead and let me undo you from the chair here. Let's go over everything that we have. So we've got stickers and lots of bags. We've got several hats, pair of socks, pencil sharpener, pencil bag, lots of pens, pop toys, cups, lots of balls and stress things and spinners and fun pens and sunglasses and backpacks and t-shirts. Oh, look, another ball. Crayons, my chicken, lanyards, and paper. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and tell me where you find free things that you can put in your OCC shoeboxes. Toodles.